In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a natural lip gloss effect in Photoshop. This is a quick and easy editing technique that can give your portraits a smoother, more polished look without overdoing it. The goal here is to add a soft, glossy shine to the lips so they look more vibrant and refined, while still keeping the result realistic. To begin, select the lasso tool in Photoshop. Then carefully draw a selection around the lips. Take your time with this part, because the more closely you follow the natural shape of the lips, the cleaner and more believable the final effect will look. You want the selection to hug the lip line as accurately as possible, including both the upper and lower lip. Once your selection is in place, go down to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon. From the menu that appears, choose Solid Color. When the color picker opens, set the color to white, then click OK. At this point, the selected lip area will be filled with white, which may look too strong at first, but that's exactly what we want before blending it properly. Now, right-click on the solid color layer and choose Blending Options. This will open the Layer Style window, where you can control how that white layer interacts with the tones underneath. Focus on the blend. If sliders and begin adjusting them until the white starts to blend naturally into the lips. This is the key step that transforms a flat white fill into a soft, realistic, glossy highlight. As you move the sliders, pay attention to how the shine settles into the natural texture and lighting of the lips. The idea is to create a highlight that feels subtle and believable, not harsh or artificial. You can fine-tune the sliders as much as needed until you get the exact amount of gloss you want. A lighter touch usually works best, especially if you're aiming for a clean, professional portrait edit. Once you're happy with the way the gloss looks, close the Layer Style window and take a moment to admire the result. You've now enhanced the lips with a smooth, glossy finish using just a few simple steps. This technique is fast, effective, and a great way to add a professional touch to your images. Thanks for following along, and be sure to keep exploring more Photoshop tips and tricks to continue improving your photo editing skills.